Wow, now you can claim Adobe Express 100% free through genuine method. Now, how to claim the Adobe Express free of cost? Here in this video, I'll talk about it. But before we start, make sure you like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now, you must be knowing about the new offer that is from Airtel end. So, if you are a Airtel user, whether you are a prepaid DTH or postpaid user or even Airtel Black user, you can just claim it free of cost. Now, how to claim it? First of all, you have two methods: one via Airtel Thanks app and one using the website. So I'm showing you the website method. It's very simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe the channel. Now, first of all, you have to click on the link which I have shared in the description. Now from here, you have to simply click on login. Now when you click on login, it will ask for your mobile number. You have to simply fill the mobile number, and after that, you have to enter the OTP. After that, I'll show you the next step. So let me just fill it. Now, once you are signed in, your dashboard will look like this. Now, what you need to do, you need to click over here, and from here, you'll find some option like thanks benefits. Okay, simply click on the thanks benefit, and here you can see the option Adobe Express Premium. Now, simply click on claim now, and after that, you have to simply read all the options. Like here they have mentioned you'll be getting some more options like image generation, video generation, all things are there. Now simply click on proceed. Now it will just redirect you to the next method. Now here, once these things are done, I mean you'll be redirected to the adopt page. So simply click on continue. And if you are using multiple accounts, means multiple Gmail ID, you can just switch the email over there. Now, finally, we have claimed the Adobe Express, and here you can see all things are done. Now, just select it like this. Okay, next done. So finally, we are set up and we are a premium member. You can see we have full access. So like this, we have claimed the Adobe Express. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. And do like the video and just subscribe the channel.